Hi everyone, it's Bill Rye, the Science Guy here, with another video tutorial. This one I'm going to explain how to use a website called Noodle Tools. It's a great website. We feel it's the best one for creating citations or using for your bibliography. You'll need a lot in CMS, especially for this RAF project, but for many other English projects and projects throughout your career. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Number one, you start on Google, and I'm just going to search Noodle Tools. See, it comes up. Click Noodle Tools. Get to the website, the main page right here. All these other plans, you don't need to worry about price. We're going to log in. Now, if you've already created an account this year and you remember it, you can log right in there. Most of you have not. It's still pretty early in the year, pretty early in your career. So you're going to sign in with Google. I use my Google staff email, and I sign in with Google. And then it takes you to here. Now, I've already started a micrograph project, but I want to create a new project because it's a new thing. So I label the project Microbe Raft 2. This is way better than 1. It's a remix. All right, so we click APA, we click Junior, we click Submit. Now our project is ready to roll. This is really for conducting a whole research paper, but the part we need isn't projects, it isn't dashboard, it's sources. Because we want to talk about sourcing our information. Where do we get it from? Where do we find this stuff? So you're going to create a new citation. Now, where did you get the information from? Well, for 90% of you 7th grade science students, you used a website and you used a web page. Now, with that website and web page, we used the Microbe Passport web page. Many of you guys just copied and pasted that in your citation. You said, wow, I cited my thing. Nope. No, you didn't. You didn't cite it correctly, at least. So what we want to do is we copy and paste that website into there, telling us where you got it. Now you got to answer, when did you get it? So let's just say November 6th, election day. Big day. Get out and vote. Rock the vote, everybody. Type in that information. Oops. And then we scroll down here. And we need to add other information. If you know the name of the person who wrote the website or anything like that, or who was helping with the website, you can do a quick search. At the bottom, they don't have anything there with who specifically created this, so we can ignore it. But we can do the web page or document or article title, and it's Microbe Passport. And then the name of the website is also something we could use or something we could type in. And if we go back, I would say it's Microbiology Online. Put that in. Then we go down, we scroll down, and we save this annotation. Okay, and it comes up with our answer. And that right there is your citation. You copy and you paste that in your raft where you need it. And that is what we're looking for. Name of the website, date retrieved, and then the exact website. That is an appropriate citation for your project. Now, this is a skill in a website you're going to need all throughout CMS. As you get older, it gets more and more important to properly cite your sources. So I hope this helped, and this is Bill Rye, the Science Guy, signing out. Good luck on your projects, everybody.